So you guys can kind of see how up close and perfect this is. So they did an excellent job with this one, guys. It is a silky straight texture, so you guys can see that the hair has a nice little flow to it. Hey guys, we are back today with another hair video. So today's video is actually sponsored by 𝐅𝐵GHairWigs.com. So this unit right here is really nice, guys. It is a closure style unit. So this one has a nice amount of lace in the front of this unit, guys. Very good amount of lace. This unit does come with an adjustable strap, guys. It is pretty much glueless. The style number on this one is LFW54. It is 20 inches long. It is a silky straight texture, guys, and the density is about 180% density on this unit. So the unit is very pretty, guys. It's very simple and straight to the point. So I'm going to install this unit, cut the lace off, and we're going to do a nice little straightener job on it. I want to show you guys this piece that I bought from Amazon that works perfect for straightening your hair. So you guys will see how I get this unit bone straight to perfection. I'll leave all the links down below, guys. This unit is very simple and straight to the point, and today is the same day install, guys. So this unit I'm taking it straight out the box and installing it on camera for you guys today. So this is going to be another one of your favorites, a talk through install, which I know you guys love. So guys, let me go ahead and pop this unit off and put this unit on. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and put some powder on the lace. I'm going ahead and adjusting this down. As you guys can see, the parting is very nice. Look at that. I just added some powder to it. You guys can see the front as well too. They did a little job on this one because this little pre-plucked area here looks excellent. There are combs on the side, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and adjust the combs. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I adjusted the strap. The unit is secure AF, guys, like very, very secure. And I love a good secure unit. They got to be secure, period. So let me go ahead and pull the back down and put that large comb in the back in as well. There's a large comb in the back. So look at that, guys. Unit looks nice. So what I would start off with first on this unit is getting the middle part kind of fine. That's like the first part. I am going to cut the lace up, but I just want to position it where I want. And you guys can see the part right here is kind of like a curve, which I like. I don't think I'm going to pull baby hairs out just because baby hairs, like I said, sometimes it's too much. Sometimes you could do without. And we'll see if this is the wig that you could do without, because I want to make this as easy as possible. So you're going to go in with your wax stick. Just like if you were going somewhere real quick, you need to say a little look. We're going to do it just like this, a little wax stick. And I'm going to show you guys this piece that I got from Amazon. I did go ahead and put up a reel or a shorts on here. So this little clip right here, you add it to your straightener, and basically when you straighten the hair, it's going to comb and straighten at the same time without kind of using a comb in the straightener in your hand. It just becomes a juggling circus act. So this makes it way easier. It's already attached on. There's a double-sided tape when you get it. You pull it off and then you just press it together and it sticks. I'm telling you guys, this is the best thing ever, and it straightens your hair very, very quickly. I will leave a link down below for my Amazon storefront so you guys can go ahead and pick this up. I recommend, especially if you're on the go and you really need to straighten your hair real fast and you don't got the time, this does the job. As far as the straightener, guys, I don't know where the straightener is from. I most likely got it from like TJ Maxx or Marshall's. They always have straighteners for pretty good prices. I'm usually a Hot Tools girl, so I try to get as many Hot Tools products as I can because they have the best like curling tools and straighteners as well. Hot Tools has some pretty good ones, so I don't know. I really love their curlers, but for the most part, if I need a straightener, I'll go to TJ Maxx and get it, so, or Marshall's. So as you guys can see, I'm just straightening it up. Alright guys, so I am just getting this a little bit more straighter and sleek. I felt like I had to let this warm up a little bit more. And once I let it warm up a little bit more, I said, okay, we're gonna get real sleek. So when you're doing this, basically make sure that you put a little bit of a wax stick on or something like that, or some good spritz or spray, and make sure you let the hot comb get real hot, and then you go ahead and get that middle part nice and slick and sleek. Like, look at that, guys. So nice. So nice. Let me turn this off because it is definitely making smoke. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the top now, guys. I'm using the Even Wonderlace Bonding Melting Spray. This is their new product and I actually like it too. I definitely like it for like really getting your wig laid and flat. It freezes it up right at the top and the middle part. So as you guys can see, the lace is still on. It's pretty much glueless AF. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some of this lace off. Let's start right here. Cut it off. And like you guys can see, it's kind of like a moon shape, so I'm just gonna zigzag this joint. Just like zigzag it up. I hope my camera's in focus and you guys can see the work. Okay, that looks good. So like I said, I'm just gonna zigzag it. You'll see some hair come off, but I want it to look a little bit like, not so moon shape, but have like a little bit of a Like, you don't even need no baby hairs for this, like, at all. You don't need baby hairs for this wig at all. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I have it on high. Yeah, it's on high. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about when I mean it's straightened. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the piece of hair, and look at that, guys. This is how, look, you can even see the little static on. This is how bone straight this hair get with the straightener. Y'all see that? So a couple passes through, guys, then you're pretty much done. It's not, I feel like with the little straightening clip, it just makes everything much, much better. So yeah, so you're really just gonna grab the hair and pull through. Because this hair is already a silky straight texture, it's actually gonna be easier to straighten this one with not that much issues whatsoever, because it is a silky straight texture. So you guys see that? Alright guys, so that basically is the finished look of this unit, guys. Very simple and straight to the point. Obviously I just straightened the rest of the hair off camera because it doesn't make sense to do that hair. Y'all know how to straighten hair. But like I said, I'll leave a link down below for this item on my Amazon storefront. Link down there. And all the links for this unit, guys, will be left down below. Very simple, straight to the point, guys. If you're looking for a nice, ready to go, same day install, all you're gonna do is just basically get that part nice and smooth and straighten the hair and you're good to go. As you guys can see, the lace looks realistic AF, guys. I did some nice pictures so you guys can kind of see how up close and perfect this is. So they did an excellent job with this one, guys. It is a silky straight texture, so you guys can see that the hair has a nice little flow to it. And like I said, with that little comb attachment, it just makes the hair very nice and pretty. And you guys can see the hair is nice, straight, and silky, guys. I absolutely love it. And I love the fact that the middle part is nice and crisp. So this unit, using a nice wax stick and a hot comb, you can get this unit to be very, very flat and middle part perfect, guys. So shout out to Rpghair for sending me this unit, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. Happy holidays to everyone, and make sure you don't miss out on the Black Friday sales that they have going on. And also, don't forget about Cyber Monday. I think people start to forget about Cyber Monday as well. But definitely check all their sales. Happy holidays to everyone, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.